Ritika Verma, the host for your show, The Illuminati. Today we have with us a very charming senior of 2K11 batch, Miss Somna ma'am. So should we start, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. There are two categories of people. One who are affected by what others say about them, and the other who continue giving their 100%. So, ma'am, in which category do you feel yourself?
I'm in the second category, of course. I do whatever I want. I don't want to be a part of the crowd. I want to be above the crowd. I want to be unique.
Least bother about what people
Yeah.
say. Okay. What difference do you feel have come into your life because you chose to travel on the road less traveled?
Yeah, first of all, it made me unique, and actually, my life was little different from the others, and but in a positive way. Surely in a positive way.
Okay, we got to know that you are a writer and a photographer. What do you think are the qualities required in both the profession?
For me, it was my interest.
Okay, in both the.
Yeah, it was my interest. That's it.
What things have you learned to empower yourself as a girl in these 4 years of college life?
See, there are many people who doesn't think that a girl can be a leader, girl can be a programmer,
Yeah.
girl can be a gamer,
That is.
yeah, girl can be a photographer, a writer, many things. So I have interest in all the fields, and I have proved myself. Yeah, I've proved myself in all the fields. So I guess that's the answer.
Next question: what do you think are the pros and cons of saying never saying no to anyone?
Okay, pros will be sometimes you get something good from never saying no. There are so many cons. First of all, people take you as a granted. Okay, they will leave everything on you. They will become dependent on you, and sometimes you feel like you are being, pressurized by them. I really regret sometimes. I think that I should have said no.
Too many burdens.
Too many burdens. Yeah, right. Yeah.
Do you believe the idea that there is room for everyone in this world?
Yeah, sure. I truly believe it.
Please give us some incident that you must have faced.
Okay, I think everyone has a special quality. It doesn't have to be that you are good in studies or you are good in sports. I think everyone should be defined uniquely, right? And the most good example about this would be, I guess, placements.
Placements.
Yeah.
How much you could elaborate, like?
Okay, fine. See, there was a company, IBM,
Okay.
right? And IBM, there was I will not say a girl or boy, it's just in general. There was a person who got placed in IBM because he or she has won many prizes in sports. Right. And there was a person who got rejected in IBM because he was not able to answer one simple C++ question. So you never know.
What happens?
Yeah.
Okay. Miss, आपके लिए what's the difference between goal and dream?
Okay. Okay. Dream sounds more like imaginary.
That's.
Right. And goal is like, yeah, you have to achieve it. So I prefer saying my dream as goal only.
Okay.
It gives me more motivation and strength to follow it.
You have been a part of many revolutionary changes in our college, like starting CSI chapter, associate editor of PW official college magazine. What are the qualities that have helped you in doing so?
See, quality is your willpower. Okay. If you want that, you want to start it, you have to go through it. You have to follow it. You have to chase it. कॉलेज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऐसा नहीं कि तुमको हर चीज़ में सपोर्ट करेगा. ठीक है. हम लोग CSI के जो ऑफिशियल वाइस प्रेसिडेंट थे, वी वेंट टू मीट देम. कॉलेज का उसमें कोई रोल नहीं था. We were 3 people. We went to meet him. Individually we did stuffs. We went to him. We started promoting in our college. We started collecting student forms and everything. And when the college saw that these students are working, then वो participate करना start किए धीरे धीरे.
And this gives you motivation and dedication to do the next step.
Right. पहले स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है खुद से ही. स्टार्टिंग में एक्चुअली होता है कि बहुत लोग सोचते हैं क्या कर रहे हो यार, ये थोड़ी वर्क करेगा, 3 लोग मिलके क्या ही कर लोगे तुम लोग. बट जब स्टार्ट होने लगता है, देन पीपल स्टार्ट कमिंग.
Encouragement you give.
Yeah, right.
Could you please provide us the glimpse of your journey as a student coordinator of Milan's 15?
student coordinator. Okay, it is a very 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 big post for me, and the members were very good this time. Actually, members अच्छे होने से बहुत सारा काम आसान हो जाता है. So there were lots of stuffs that I did that I learned also. Faced many traps also. There were too many people. There were some people that I didn't like, but still I have to handle them. So the main thing I learned was first being a leader, being kind in each and every situation. You
That's
can
the main-
always
We saw you happy throughout the journey of the Milan. You were
Yeah.
never seeing you were tension में pressure में हो.
yeah. Actually tension pressure was there, but actually there's a thing that you can always be kind. इसमें कोई कंडीशन नहीं है, ठीक है. यू कैन ऑलवेज बी काइंड. प्रेशर तुम पे आ रहा है तो यू डोंट हैव टू डू इट विद अदर्स ऑल्सो, कि तुम अपना प्रेशर अपना टेंशन किसी और पे निकाल रहे हो, बिकॉज इट विल मेक थिंग्स वर्स्ट. जब स्टूडेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर का इंटरव्यू हुआ था, दे आस्क्ड मी दीज थिंग्स कि हाउ विल हैंडल द प्रेशर. अगर कोई ऐसा स्टूडेंट आ जाए जो तुम्हारी बात नहीं सुन रहा है, जो तुम पे चिल्ला रहा है एंड एवरीथिंग इज ब्लेमिंग यू, तो हाउ विल यू हैंडल इट. The first thing I said, why will you hire that kind of person?
Serious, that's much.
मतलब अगर आप इंटरव्यू ले रहे हो तो ठीक से
हाँ.
हायर ही करो ना. अदरवाइज लेट मी टेक द इंटरव्यू.
हाँ,
आई विल
that's
हायर
okay.
माई टीम मेम्बर्स.
और फिर उस पोस्ट पे होता अगर वो ऐसा कर रहा है तो why will choose आगे क्यों जाना.
एक्चुअली अपने कॉलेज में बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं ना, लाइक बहुत से सेटिंग से आए हुए स्टूडेंट्स हैं. आई डोंट थिंक कि ये बोलना चाहिए, बिकॉज कुछ हुआ था कल्चरल्स के टाइम में. लड़ाई वड़ाई भी हुई थी, पीपल नो अबाउट इट.
Yes, ma'am.
बाहर में लड़ाई हुई थी और उसका कोई वो नहीं था, मतलब कोई पॉइंट ही नहीं था लड़ाई का.
जबरदस्त.
बस हो गया. मतलब आई डिडंट वांट पीपल टू एंटर द बैक स्टेज एरिया बिकॉज इट वाज टू क्राउडेड. वहाँ पे लोग हैं, बाहर से कॉलेज के लोग आए हुए हैं, दे आर चेंजिंग, दे आर डूइंग देयर स्टफ्स. क्यों वहाँ पे भीड़ लगाओ. एंड आई स्टॉप द गाय ऑल्सो एंड द कंसिक्वेंसेज आर नॉट गुड. सो ऐसा लगा नहीं था कि ऐसा कुछ होगा, बट
कई बार ऐसा.
हो जाता है कभी कभी. Especially if you are on a good position, so some people are there to backstab you every time.
Okay. Please tell us something interesting about a most difficult interview that you have ever faced.
Okay. There were actually 2 interviews that I faced that were difficult. About the first one, the HR gave me some puzzles, okay, and he set the timer on his phone, kept in front of me, like, okay, I have set the 10-second timers and you have only this time to solve this puzzle, otherwise you are rejected. सीधे out of the room. And he just sat, आराम से बैठ गया and he started singing.
Oh shit.
He just started singing and ठीक है. एक्चुअली पता है वो लोग ये नहीं टेस्ट कर रहा था ना कि शी इज़ एबल टू सॉल्व द पजल. नॉट, दे वर जस्ट टेस्टिंग द हाउ शी इज़ हैंडलिंग द प्रेशर, हाउ शी इज़ गोइंग थ्रू द टेंशन. आई वाज कूल, ठीक है. आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग द पजल, आई स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लेनिंग हिम हाउ टू डू इट एंड ही वाज ओके, ऑलराइट. दे डोंट नीड द आंसर. इंटरव्यू में दे डोंट नीड द आंसर.
They just need how to cope up with the
हाँ
situation.
हाँ हाँ, दैट्स इट.
Ma'am, what kind of puzzle they asked actually?
Kind of puzzles, probability questions, maths questions. There are many famous puzzles also which you can study on the website, but you never know what they will ask in the interview.
Veterinary physician was your dream.
Yes.
If you had not been an engineer, why?
Why? Because actually I'm kind of love with dogs.
Then why didn't you continue?
I
would
will
have changed
continue.
their dream.
Yeah, because there was a question about one word to describe the college, and I wrote change.
Yes.
You remember? That's the thing. When your company changes, company means the people around you changes, your situation changes, your environment changes, your dreams and goals also changes. Okay, I'm still in love with dogs. I adore them, but I don't think that I can opt for it as a career. I'm more interested in coding and programming. That's it.
Ma'am, some incident that would show your love towards the pets.
Some incident. Okay, I had a pet dog, and my Makan Malik, I don't know what you call Makan Malik in English. House owners. My house owners were totally against him. They always chased him away, beat him. Even they beat him so hard that he was bleeding all over. So I started keeping him in my house. He was a street dog. I was not allowed to. My parents didn't allow me. But I cried every day, night, and I kept him in my house. Even he had, they were a couple actually, there were two dogs. There were two dogs, they had kids also, so everyone was in my house. I intended to keep one, but everyone was in my house. And my house had more dogs than people. This was fun for me, not for my parents, of course. I had a cat as a pet. I had a cow as a pet. I had a squirrel as a pet. I had a bird as a pet.
That's his true love towards them.
Yeah, sure. I had at least 10 dogs, street dogs, as my pet. So,
Wow, that seems too interesting.
yeah.
Okay. By the way, is computer science and engineering your true love, or it was pressurized by your family or relatives? Like,
See, relatives, I don't think the relatives have any say in my future. I don't want them to enter my, career and everything. My parents don't pressurize me for anything. They never pressurize me for anything. They obviously wanted to me to go for a core branch because placements अच्छा होता है and you go for government jobs. I don't like government jobs. Actually, it's too easy.
हाँ.
मतलब गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स लोग लेते हैं ना बिकॉज दे से कि कुछ काम नहीं करना रहता, पैसे मिल जाते हैं. आई
Easy
डोंट
life.
माई लाइफ आई डोंट वांट माई लाइफ लाइक दैट. दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट टू गो फॉर अ प्राइवेट सेक्टर जॉब.
Adventurous, like.
हाँ, adventurous. I like coding, I like working. So I obviously opted for computer science. Actually, in my 12th standard, I failed in computer science.
Oh, still.
Actually, I didn't like computer science till my first year. In first year, when I started coding, then I gained some interest, and that was the time when it became my goal.
Okay, now we'll have some rapid fire questions. You'll have to answer in 1 to 2 words.
Okay, how much time?
Abruptly you have to answer. So you're going, no time limit.
Okay, ठीक है.
If you had to spend your whole life playing only one game, then what would it would be?
Halo.
Okay. One tradition or festival of your hometown you are most proud of?
Navratri.
If you are given absolute powers for one day to bring changes in society, what would be the first one?
I want to become invisible.
Invisible.
Yeah.
And then changes.
I want to become invisible, and first of all, I think I'll kill some of the persons. I really want to.
Okay. Which 3 qualities would you appropriately describe the latest version of your personality?
3 qualities. Right. Independent, bold. Yeah. Independent, bold, and I guess confident.
Okay. You have to choose one. Gaming or photography?
Gaming.
Gaming. You watch TV series a lot,
Yeah.
right? Okay, your favorite one?
Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones. Okay, now some serious questions, serious topic questions. Do you feel that all of us need to serve the society in whichever way they can?
Yeah.
As an individual, which problem in the society would you like to eradicate first of all?
Superstition.
Superstition.
First, yeah.
Like in this digital era also, no superstition.
No, there is no logic behind superstition. There is no reason behind superstitions. You see, I believe what I see. I believe in science. Everyone should believe in science.
Still,
of
science
course.
students also do कि ये होता आ रहा है, ये होना
हाँ,
चाहिए.
actually I've heard. मतलब अपने I'm not taking names. Toppers हैं जो अपने batch के, they also say कि यार I can't wash my hair today. Today is Tuesday.
Days.
And I asked why. तो नहीं घर पे होता है तो I can't do this. And I just keep asking why. They don't have any answer.
हाँ,
Because
होता
there
रहता
is
है
no
ना.
answer.
There is no answer. Yeah. We got to know that you love poems and you write poems.
Yeah.
So could you please recite few lines of your favorite poem?
Yeah, sure. There's a poem, Fingerprints.
Fingerprints. Okay.
Yeah. I stepped into the new world when I paced towards you that made me observe your love as the only thing to choose. Thinking about you and calling your name in my sleep, I can touch you in my dream, you had lured me so deep. Falling for your type, I'll tell you why. After knowing you, I'm running out of reasons to cry. The memories with you will never lag behind. They are caged in the back of my mind. When we first kissed, we exchanged our souls. In my life, I can't explain your role. You make me feel so special in your love ring from this stage, and I want you to recede. Even if the curtain closes, I'll be the same. You will have me until I'll breathe. Every pain I give to you, I wash away from my tears. Every drop of blood I shed for you makes my love more real. I can scratch your name in my heart to bring you in my destiny. My last wish from the shooting stars, it's only you, honey. If you listen to my heartbeats, you can hear yourself inside. They will stop if you leave. This is the pain they can't survive. Till the last day of my life, I will make you see. I will always have your fingerprints on me.
Okay, that was fantastic. Okay. So it was an interesting interview for all our viewers. Thank you so much.